Today's word is makeru. Makeru means to lose or to get defeated. Let's take a look at the kanji stroke order. And now for the examples. First one, この試合には負けたくない. I don't want to lose this match. この this 試合 match and Thai form of the verb means to want to. So 負ける to lose, 負けたい I want to lose. 負けたくない I don't want to lose. The next example is 彼女は彼にテニスで負けてしまった. She ended up losing against him in tennis. テニス tennis しまう to end. So 彼女は彼に she against him テニスで in tennis 負けてしまった ended up losing. She ended up losing against him in tennis. The next one is 彼は数学では誰にも負けない。数学 means mathematics. 彼は数学では he in mathematics 誰にも against anyone 負けない won't lose. 彼は数学では誰にも負けない he won't lose against anyone in mathematics. The next one is 勝つか負けるかどうでもいい。Winning or losing, both is okay. 勝つ to win. か and then word か means this or that. 勝つか負けるか winning or losing. 彼か私か he or I. And then どうでもいい it doesn't matter or whatever. 勝つか負けるかどうでもいい winning or losing, it's okay or it doesn't matter winning if I win or I lose. The words we learned today: 負ける to lose, 試合 match, テニス tennis, しまう to end, 勝つ to win, どうでもいい whatever. And that's it. Thanks for watching.